Next will be sling bow. No, next I'll do mine hunting knife. Okay, before that, let me compare these two. So that is tier 2. I crafted something which I already had. Oh man. Okay, can I do something? Can I like destroy you? I can extract stuff. Oh. Is there durability on the weapon? Oh, there is. Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. There is durability. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I mean, you can just repair it quite easily. I don't know why I did that, but sure. 20. Wait, 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 wait. This is 16, this is 20. Maximum stamina, melee damage, crit damage. Fine. Okay, sure. Okay, now collect that. So that is done. Sling bow. Assume this is a ranged weapon. Hunting knife. Autofill craft. Mining pick. Okay, I need more wood now. Also, everything is getting crafted automatically by picking stuff up from my inventory, which is awesome. Let's see how. What? It's that easy? I thought you have to log like. Oh, you can hold F or hold your interact button and you pick up everything at once. Oh. Okay. Yes. You can just hold your interact button and you can pick up everything instantly. That is awesome. Okay. So this is tier 1, this is tier 2. Why is my knife giving me max health? Injury resistance. Characteristics. Sandstone wood tier 1 predator skin. No idea what that means, but sure. Simple mining pick. Simple climbing picks. Mining picks. Okay, I'll just craft the sickle. And then come here. Put this in there. Yeah. Oh, there's no sort button over here. Oh, there is over here. Oh, is it automatically getting sorted? Whenever I place. Okay. Okay, take that. This. Nice. Sickle. Common sickle. Sandstone. Main hand. Slashing. I'm just making all the tools. I have no idea what each of these are used for. I'll make this next. Strap. Strap. Yeah, once I make that, I think I'm good to go. Let's see. So this is tier 2, tier 1, tier 2, tier 2, tier 2. What is this? Mining pick. Okay, so I do need something for mining. Man, the animation. They spent all their time on that animation. Okay, sling bow, autofill. Simple sickle, mining pick. I do need the mining pick. This is climbing picks. Mining pick. Melee damage is less, crit damage. Okay. Okay, what's the reason that I made this? Simple climbing picks. A true necessity for anyone traversing the rough terrain of the realms. Even simple climbing picks can see one through steep cliffs and monstrous valleys to safety. Okay. Rudimentary rough in its construction. This rudimentary mining pick is plenty capable of rending ore, gems, and stone from the earth. Okay, this is for mining. Okay, let's see. Oh, you need ammo. Okay. I was like, is there like magic ammo and I don't have to worry about ammo? But nope. You need to worry about ammo. Mining pick. Okay, tier 2, tier 2. Climbing picks. I'll replace that. Okay. There is not enough toolbars over here. I need so much more stuff. Next, let's see. I crafted this, right, just now? Okay, pretty good. So I have stuff for logging, mining, climbing, hunting. Crit damage is 3 times. And sickle. Okay, pretty good. Everything is done. Now, I don't have ammo though. I can't craft ammo over here. Okay. Anyway, I'm pretty good to go. I think I can leave. Is it nighttime? Nearly nighttime. Can I sleep? How does sleep work? Did time even go forwards? I don't think so. Okay. Map. Portal. Essence Trader. Wilhelmina Sass. Sure. This is probably the boss. One of the bosses maybe for this round. And I need to talk to her. So let me just travel towards. Can I place pins? Oh, I can. Map stamps. World beacons. Okay, I can do so much stuff. Okay, some of the things in this game is like really well thought out. It's already there in the base game. Yeah. Like whenever we play early access, it's like I'm not expecting too much. But in this game, it's already there. Especially the quality of life stuff. What's happening over here? Okay, the game just loves giving me free stuff. What was that sound? Oh! What? How did you hit me sideways? Oh my god! Okay, these things are invisible or what? Also, I don't have enough stamina. So there is one more. Let me use my knife. Let's see if that is more helpful. Oh man, no, no, no. It turns 360 degree in like a split second. Nice. Like for example, this feature, just press and hold the interact button and you can quickly get everything that it drops that is around immediately. That's such a good quality of life feature. Like I can't think of too many games having that. Also, I need a torch over here. Okay, there is nothing over here. Oh, that's it? Oh, let me see the climbing picks. Are you the climbing pick? No, I was using it for combat. Okay. Can I use this to climb? Nope. Oh! Okay. I can. Oh my god. Okay. So this became a completely different type of game now. Tin. Tin has critical damage. Oh, it's an attribute bonus. Okay. Okay, so the possibilities are endless now. It became like a platform game now. I need to figure out how to get to unreachable places. And if I fall, I die. Ah. Let me check something. So let me... What? What was that sound? Okay, let me go back down. Oh! Oh! Okay, let me stay up here. I'm not going back down. Why did they spawn? Is it because it's nighttime? Oh, I did not realize there were like 2 different moons over here. 3 moons. Yeah, that's the sun probably. Hello. Uh, okay, I probably should go down. Oh my god, what was that? There are sounds in this game. Let's... Falling impact. Sure. Now the thing that I want to check is, how does... Oh, you need to jump. This does consume stamina, and if you just stay there, it consumes stamina and you fall down. Okay. I wanted to try reaching up there, but I don't think I can. I don't have enough stamina. I will fall to death. What is that? Also, I don't have a weapon. So this climbing thing, I thought this was the weapon, but no, this is specifically for climbing stuff. Hello. Come on, let's fight. Let's see if I can take these guys down. Wait, is there like save? No. Help, I'm stuck. That is there. Okay. Oh, I did lots of damage. Never mind. Oh, it has... Oh, it died. That also died. Your minions died. What will you do now? Throw stuff at me? Sure. That will explode. Okay. Gunpowder. Oh, okay. Gunpowder. Simple candle. Is that it? Did I get anything else? No. Let's see. Arcane Wick. Tabled hide. Gunpowder. So there are guns in this game. Nice. Okay, I don't think I can go all over there because I don't see it on the map. Oh, okay, it's fine. Oh, it shows me the pathway that I have taken recently. That's nice. Also, can I fast travel to my base? No. What is the sound? Oh! One guy down. My health! Okay, I'm dead. Um... I got hit by a bomb. I did not even see that. Memento Mori.
No pearly gates for you just yet, my friend. Though this Zephyr would prefer to whisper over your bones, I have tasked it with your preservation. Should you perish, it will whisk you away and revive your spirit. Of course, the Zephyr is tasked only with rescuing you. The contract is very literal about that, though I have asked it to try to preserve your modesty and what tools it can.
Okay.
However, the disquieting sensation of death will linger afterward, so tread.
The maximum health has greatly decreased. Okay. Oh, that's where I have dropped stuff, I assume. No, I have all the stuff. So what is that? First of all, let me eat stuff. Okay. Why is this glowing? Okay, I guess that's how it is. Okay, now let me head back over there. I did not realize I was low health. If not, I would have tried to heal before going there. Okay. Let's see if those things are over there still. What? Okay, there is nothing here. Let me just see. Oh! There was no sound or audio this time. Oh my god, this guy is fast. Okay. Dude, stop with your thing. He had a lantern on top of his head. Also, I don't know if dodge is actually working. They are able to track me even after I dodge once. Like I dodge once like this. Oh, what is that? Yo, come back. Oh, I can harm it. Really? I tried to sidestep him, but it did not work. You can't strafe these guys at all. Okay, stop that. Thank you. Hello. Oh, you are the bomb guy. These guys are not dropping too much loot. I'm sad about that. Why is there no loot? Ooh, a wolf. Okay. Oh, my life is good. Can I sneak? Okay. This is the most oblivious wolf in the world. That did nothing. Okay. Oh! He called his buddy. Okay. Oh, there is another one. I missed all my... I'm probably dead here. I lived? Okay. Nice. Lots of hides. Predator hide, prey hide. I don't know why these are like different. Oh, these have different attributes. Stamina and health. Bound Iker. Stealth rating. I really don't know what the attribute bonuses mean. I guess it's I still have not unlocked that probably. Okay, I have some really good health regen though. This one. Tin ore. Tin ore. Okay, so this is the one. So this is how tin ore looks. What about you? I can't pick up too much stuff. I am slowly running out of inventory weight capacity. So this was raw gem. This is probably for like magic and stuff. Where am I right now? I'm over here. Let me put a marker. Rocks. Sure. Sure. Those are the enemies which spawned. What is that sound? I'll stay away from them. I don't want to fight them just yet. I'm guessing this is tin. Yeah. Okay. Sure. I really wonder what that is though. What is that icon? Like, that's where I died, but there was nothing to pick up or anything like that. Oh. I will die for sure if I fall down there. Let's see. Yeah, I need to go over there. Okay. Sure. Let me just slowly make my way over there. Did he see me? Yeah. Oh my god, how did I miss that? Oh! It's nice that they get staggered sometimes. Oh, that's a bomb. I don't have enough stamina. Okay, thank you. I was afraid I would get hit by that. Oh, there are 3 more wolves. No, I won't try to tackle them. Yeah. Okay, what is this? So these are blueprints. Oh, very interesting. Okay. Let me... Why can't I climb this? Nice. Sandstone. Oh, this is just a simple stone block. Okay. And lots of sticks? No, just 2 sticks. Sure. What is my encumbrance? 40.72. What? Lightning rifle cartridge? Okay. Wait, didn't I get more than 3? I thought I got like 5 or 6. Anyway, I will take that. Nice. Okay. So these ruins are actually pretty good. They have some really good loot. Okay, you get falling impact so quickly. Hello, can you stop please? Oh, it says collect essence. What? Oh, you shouldn't hit them. You can just collect essence from it. Okay, nice. Now let me make my way all the way over there. Let me just look at something. Is it like automatically saving? How am I saving this? I have not saved this once. Still, what is that? Okay. You know, I want to... Enemy spawned. Is it the same regular enemies? Yes. Oh! Nice. Everyone's dead. Simple hammer. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So it is worth... Roasted meat. Okay. It's funny that every single type of meat is different. I mean, you don't have to go that deep in a game. Like, this is like roasted meat of a deer. This is a roasted meat of a predator. Roasted meat of a prey. Like, what? Okay. I should probably not leave just yet. Let me see. Why did you fall off? Nice. Look at that. Okay. Slight healing potion. Weighted eminent card. Play this card to increase the damage you deal and the efficiency of your harvesting while weighing down your body and limiting the efficiency of your stamina. Okay, sure. Hold for more options. Nice. Yeah. That was like half of my falling impact. So I can just fall from a little bit higher. That's it. Anything higher than that, that's fatal, I guess. Or at least will injure me or something like that.